Post this in YouTube, okay? Come closer so we, okay, I will continue the biblical, okay? Where is my last word? When there is a water on earth and oxygen, if the planet Earth doesn't have a water and oxygen, what will happen? We will die, right?
Yes.
But because of the water and oxygen, there's a life, right? God said, I am the life, right?
Yes.
But the water and oxygen coming from the nature. And that nature is God. And the water is God, and the oxygen is God.
Yes.
Every born baby, God give a life, right? But the devil do the abortion of the baby, killing the baby, right? Okay. The devil always killing, but God is always the one giving life, right?
Yes.
Now, God, you came from the wait. For example, Brittany, I will give you a biblical comedy, okay? If you are an angel with the wings, Brittany, you come from heaven, come down to the planet Earth. Do not use airplane because you don't have a human body, right? God said, Angel Brittany, come down to the planet Earth, use your wings. Now question logic. This is a entertaining comedy I invented, okay? If you are wings, come down to the planet Earth, Brittany, how many days did you travel? No logic, nobody knows. Make a guessing answer.
40 days.
40 days, wrong answer. Face the camera so I can see your beauty. Yeah. Yes. Now, 40 days, wrong answer. If you are traveling with your wings coming from heaven, come down to the planet Earth, how many days did you travel? Another guessing.
I'm gonna say lightning fast.
Lightning fast? Okay, wrong answer. Do you want to know the answer now?
Yes.
9 months. You know why? God kept you 9 months inside the pregnant mother because your mother is your airplane. Because if you use your wings, it's far away. You could be died or the devil will kind of kill you, right?
Yes.
And God decided, I will protect the baby inside the pregnant mother, not even a mosquito, right? Okay. Then baby come out now, you will be born, right? In between the legs where you came out, mother, right?
Yes.
But God said you are an angel with the wings. You're gonna wear only the 9 months baby. But you are not the human body. You only wearing the human body like a tuxedo, like a shoes, right? You are the angel for real, okay? You have wings. Now you obey God. Wear the human body and you will be born. Baby Brittany, come out now and you will be born. I give you my spirit, the gift of life, right? And you born now, you are human, that human body, right?
Yes.
Now logic question. Where did you put your wings, Brittany? You just in a hurry wearing the human body, you're excited from angel, you were gonna be human born.
Yes.
But you forgot your wings. Where did you put your wings?
I left them.
You don't know?
I left them in heaven.
No, wrong answer. Do you want to know the real answer?
Yes.
God kept it inside your heart. You know why? You know why? If you put a half of a wings and another half of wings, put it together as a heart shape, right?
Yes.
Okay, now your wings is inside your heart, correct?
Yes.
But God put only a half of wings. You know why? The other half He put in another newly born baby, because in the future you meet that guy, you grow up, that is your husband, soulmate, correct? Because the man came from the dust, but God took the ribs, become a woman, correct?
Correct.
So always a half of a wings inside your heart if you are a woman, the other half of the wings it belongs to the ribs where you come from, the man. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Now, if your grandpa and grandma died or not yet?
My grandma is alive.
Also, the grandpa died first, right? And grandma still alive, which means they are soulmate. If the man first died, it has to be the first because he's waiting for the ribs. The ribs is grandma. And then later on, when grandma died, they will meet together, the ribs and the dust. So they are soulmate. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Your mom and dad still alive? Your mom and dad still alive?
Yeah.
Okay. It has to be daddy died first and then mommy. If your mommy died first and then your dad not yet, they are not soulmate. That's why there's a divorce. Correct? Yeah. That's now when I died, Brittany, I see heaven, hell, purgatory, and paradise. I said, Lord, where is heaven? Up there. Point your point finger. Show the camera. Show your finger. One. Where's heaven? Up there, right? Heaven is up. Now, you show your hand. Where is hell? Down below. Which below? Down the volcano. Okay? Now, in the between in up and below is in between. Show your hand like this. In between. In between. Up and down. In between is like this. Show. Show your hand like this. Hold this camera. Show your hand like this. In between. Up, down, and in between. Do that. Up, down, in between. Yes. In between is the planet Earth. You know why the planet Earth we call the purgatory, correct? You know why? Why purgatory? Because the Earth doesn't have its own light. Only God put the sun and the moon, daylight and nightlight. But if you take away the sun and the moon, the planet Earth is totally dark.
Yes, it is.
That's why it's a planet Earth. That's why on Earth, the devil, when in paradise, Adam and Eve, they committed sin, sex. The devil get punished, snake, and then God bring them down on the planet Earth. Bring them down on the planet Earth, right?
Yes.
And then we are the children of children.
Yes, we are.
That's why. And I'm sorry, you have to become back. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.